Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Warm welcome to one and all for the 7th session of the Super 25 program, India's largest online stock traders conference. The topic of today's discussion is Golden Butterfly Strategy. We have a very interesting speaker today. We have Mr. Gurumurthy Iyer, who is popularly known as Alchemist Gurumurthy, one of the senior most traders whom I know personally. He has been in the markets ever since 1991. One of the very few guys whom I also consider as my mentor. He has coined many new interesting strategies like golden butterfly, always on strategies, and he has his biggest expertise in playing the Bank Nifty weekly expiry strategies. He has trained more than 2,000 people so far on various market techniques. It's a great pleasure to have you on board, sir. Thank you very much for being with the Super 25 family. With this introduction, I would like to hand over the stage to you. It's all set for you, sir. Go ahead.
Thank you. Thank you, Ashok. Thank you for the compliments. Yeah. Welcome, friends. Welcome to the Golden Butterfly Strategy, a delta neutral strategy. Rather, I call it as a karma neutral strategy. Okay. People come to the market to erase their karmas. When you come to the market and you start losing money, remember, okay, somewhere, somehow, you have taken money from people or you have done something which had made people lose. And for those people, you have come to the market to give money. Unknown people, right? So that is the karma that is drawing each one of you to the market. And this karma acts through your mind. You can say brain is here, heart is here, limbs are here, hand is here, but mind is non-existent. You cannot say it is here. But the karma acts through the mind. How? The mind acts through two agents, fear and greed. So in the market, people lose money because of the fear. In the markets, people lose money because of the greed. Fear is a stronger emotion also. So many times your stop losses get triggered. So we are going to mitigate the fear. We are going to mitigate the greed. After this training, the key takeaway will be you will know your fear. You will know your greed. I will not say, you will not have fear. You will still have fear. Maybe lot of fear. But that fear will enable you to make more money. The greed will enable you to make even more money. I have, a dream to create 100 millionaires in 2 years from today. Actually, I'm running a program only on golden butterfly, how to make a million with an initial investment of 1.2 to 1.5 lakhs. No more money needed. And within 2 years, how to scale up and make consistent 1 lakh to 1,50,000 profit each month. That is what I am currently working with Golden Butterfly. Go to webinar. Thank you for being the official sponsor of Super25.in program. Introduction has been done by Ashok. So I'd been with RB & Co. and then Amita & Co. Amita & Co. That partner was Harshad Mehta's own brother, Sudhir S. Mehta. I worked with him. I was an authorization. I was going to the floor in Madras Stock Exchange as well as Bengaluru Stock Exchange. Been a pure fundamental analyst and an investor till 2010. Then lost big time in 2008 and all. Then turned techno fund analyst. I'm a serial entrepreneur and I run an organization that employs more than 100 people in Chennai. Stock markets and training is my passion. And to date, I have trained more than 3,000 people across globe. My core competencies are Fibonacci, Ichimoku, Bollinger Bands, and simplifying option Greeks. I'm here to train you on delta neutral golden butterfly option strategy. Let us start the training with a minute of prayer. I request you to pray to your Ishtadevata, Kuladevata to get the best out of this training. Sada Siva Samarambam Sankaracharya Madhyamam Asmadacharya Paryantam Vande Guru Paramparam. Om. Also, I'll chant Mahamrutyunjaya mantra for the people to come out of this coronavirus. Maybe people who know can chant Trembagam Mejamahe Sugantim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanan Mrityor Mukshiyamamrutat. Om. It's awesome, friends. Happy to see more than 275 people logged in on time. This is my mission statement for my life. Earn more, own less, and spend only for good. Learn more, act upon, and accomplish. Make sure to contribute to at least 1% personal or professional growth each day. So with more than 275, 280 people here, I think next 1 year I can stop this. I will have vertical alignment with body, manas, buddhi, and atma. I will have vertical alignment with character, values, attitude, personality, and action. And my every action will bear the stamp of my very best character. I will be at peace with self. I will put in my very best and whatever is required to achieve my mission. I request each one of you to have one mission statement for your life, not necessarily the same. Whatever that has a alignment with your value system, with your family, create a mission statement. Have purpose, meaning will follow. That is the dicta. So we are started a bit late. 85282 introduction. How to mitigate karma. Why golden butterfly works. When to choose golden butterfly. Basic trade setup. Random backtesting for proof of concept. And then how to scale up over 2 years to make $1 million with an investment of 1.5 lakhs. Followed up by question and answer session. This will be the mantra. My stop loss risk should be out of profit. This is a big statement. Unless otherwise your first trade is profitable trade, how can your stop loss can be out of your profit? So your first trade should be a sure shot trade, right? So take golden butterfly. Your first trade will be a profitable trade. Out of that trade, take risk. My investment should be out of profit. Any stock. It can be HDFC Bank, HDFC, Reliance, or Maruti, Hindustan Lever, ITC. Any stock can crash. Okay. So if you put your capital, then you need to chant Hanuman Chalisa each day 10 times, 20 times during the market to keep the stock up. Otherwise, the stock is bound to come down. The gravity will pull it down. So when you are investing out of your profit, then you are not bothered. You are not bothered about the price. You just need to see the fundamentals. You just need to see the dividend paying company. PE is less, EPS is more. Market share is good. Fundamentals. If it comes down, you are happy. You invest more, right? My risk taking on low probability bets will be out of profit. So if you are trading options, buying options especially, it is low probability. You take risk only out of your profit. All my expenses will be out of profit and less than 25% of my profit to start with, and I will work towards reducing this to less than 5%. When I say 25%, if you have an expenses of 50,000 rupee a month, okay, then you should make 2 lakh rupee profit out of market, then spend 50,000 out of your profit, not more than that, and then reduce that 25% to 5%. That means your expenses is not going to come down. It is going to remain 50,000 or 60,000, right? It is going to increase only. That means you should increase your profitability to 10 lakhs. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, therefore, is not an act, but a habit. In one of my training, I asked, people, can you name, tell one good trade you took? There was 50 odd people. Each one told, I bought that, it went to this level. I bought this option, it went to this level. I bought Hindustan Lever at this level, it went to this level. They are telling 1 or 2 trades. I told them, if you can remember, in your 5 years of career, if you can remember one good trade, maybe that is the only one good trade you have done, right? How can you, tell one good trade? So it should become a habit, right? If it is an habit, you don't know what trade to tell. So winning is an habit, losing is an habit too. So make winning a habit. This will be takeaway post training. I'm a bit rushing because I have just 1 hour 45 minutes to train. So it's okay. As a special case, with Ashok's permission, I'll give you one more video which is a bit exhaustive, which will cover a few things which I may miss in this training because of the time constraint. Okay, that video will be available for you free for this set of people. Maybe with Ashok's permission, it can be uploaded into super25.in, or you can watch it in mybillion.in. I'll get special permission from Ashok for that. Okay.
Sure, sir. I will share it in the YouTube channel to everyone, sir.
That's great. So
thank you.
You need to watch this video at least 2 to 3 times the video which I'm going to share it with you also. Then only you will get a grip. Okay. When you have a ambition of making million out of market, do not think 2 hours training is going to make you a millionaire. You need to put in a lot of efforts with passion. Okay. Takeaway post training, it will remove all negativity about markets. If you're if you're a bachelor, okay, and if you want to get married, can you tell a prospective girl you're working in a share market? Very tough, right? People will say, nobody has made money in market, it's a gambling, people will commit suicide, all those things people will start thinking, right? So it will remove all the negativity what you have about the markets. It will create awareness. It is said awareness precedes change. Ashok, I think your mic is on. I'm getting some tick sound. Maybe you can mute yourself. It will give you discipline. Yeah, it will give you discipline. It will give you confidence. There's a huge difference between good trade and good trading. Awesome words by Steve Burns. Leaders are in fact followers. They follow principles. Any leader you can take. It can be wrong example also, like Hitler, Mussolini, anyone. Okay, if they're leader, they follow certain principles. Otherwise, they cannot become leaders, period. Market is about IPO. When I say IPO, it pops on everyone's mind. Who's in the market? Initial public offer. No, it is not initial public offer. It is input, process, output. You get the same data from nsindia.com website. I get the same data from the nsindia.com website. nsindia.com doesn't differentiate between who's accessing their website. But people make losses. 90% people make losses. 10% people make profits because the process is bad. The person between I and O is bad. Okay. So if you change the person, if you change the process of the person, then output is going to be good.